Hello Virgo, welcome to Bloom of Divinity for your fortnightly readings. Let's begin your fortnightly tarot readings. The first card is in the terms of the career work advice for you. The second is in the terms of financial advice to you. The third is the relationship guidance. And the fourth is for the fortnight in general. Along with this, let's see what's the emotional guidance for this fortnight. Virgo, the cards that have come up for you this fortnight are Six of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, Eight of Cups, and Death. Six of Pentacles in terms of work and career is saying that there is a very delicate balance and you need to act according to the situation. And you have to be a person who is doing the things which are required at that very moment. So your behavior with everybody has to be according to the time. You cannot have a fixed set of rules like I will deal with everybody at my workplace in the similar manner. No, you have to understand that every other person has their own personalities and they like to have certain things to be told and done in a very particular way. So you need to understand that. And in case if you are dealing with customers, every customer is not the same, their requirement may not be the same. So you have to give them the product which is according to their requirement. So do the things as per the need of the moment. Do not follow a very given set of standard like yes, this is the thing that I'm going to do with everybody, whoever I'm interacting with. I will do this process in the same manner. Even if you are working on some project, there are certain times where you have to change your methodology according to the time, which is like someday you do one step at the first time, and the second day you start with something else. So you need to make adaptive changes accordingly at workplace. So the financial advice, the card is Five of Pentacles for you. In case if you are facing any difficulties or there are any issues that you are not getting, feel like you are feeling that you are being left out, there are people who are there to help you. You are in a difficult situation as of now and you do not see who are walking along with you. You feel like as if you are the only person who's going through that adversity. No, it's not only you. There are people who are walking along with you and you are completely ignoring. You are not trying to see that yes, my this is my hardship, their hardship is in a different, in a slightly different form. You feel that you have been left outside in the cold winter times with no support coming to you and completely in a very state which are wherein you are feeling a lot depressed and financially as if like things are coming to a bad situation. No, there might be certain scenarios which are coming to an end, that they might have your financial habits also can be coming to an end, that you had some habits that were not yielding good results to you, so you are putting a stop to it. So you are making those habits, those things that are not working for you, to an end. Or there might be a certain investment that you made that did not give you good results, so you decide that yes, I'm not going to stay more, put more into this. I will just recover whatever best I can recover. I'll try to reduce my losses to the maximum that I can do it and save whatever I can at this very moment. So that is there. In relationship, the card that has come is Eight of Swords, and along with that, the card is Death as the emotional guidance. So Eight of Swords is telling that you feel as if you are stuck. This doesn't mean that something bad is going to happen. So that is in the hands of God. The giving any person whatever amount of life that he or she has, it's all in the hands of God. Nobody can say that this person is going to just live for 2 days or for 10 years. No, we cannot say that. but you feel as if you are stuck, you do not see any hope, and there might be certain relationships that are not working, where you decide that yes, these relationships I have invested a lot of my time in that, but now I cannot put more stay longer in this any relationship any longer, and this bondage that you are having in that relationship, you yourself are the person who can take it off. You do not need any for the person's help or any other person's help to come out of that bondage. You are free, you are not into like so bad in it that you cannot come out of it. You just have to make some small effort, and then your situations will start improving. But yes, I would suggest, like, in case of your relationship, something bad is happening, so keep an eye, because it's not that always that we only the fault is of the other person. We may also be at fault in certain points. So evaluate your own behavior also, and understand what is going on all over. So weekend general, the card is Eight of Cups. So Eight of Cups here is saying like there might be certain things where you decide to move on, or the combination of these cards together, the Eight of Swords, Death, and Eight of Cups here is saying like there might be somebody who is departing from you. So be prepared, because we are not in, like, everything is not in our control. There are certain things which are beyond our control, but we have to face them, and things improve. And it's not that like everybody is going to stay forever, so things are going to happen, and certain things, it's not like that person is departing from you permanently. It might, the departure may not be the permanent departure also. They might move on to certain things where their phase may end. So you need to stay very positive on this fortnight. So do not lose hope. There are a lot of things that are going to happen, which are going to be very good in nature. So do not lose hope. There are still a lot of times that are troubling times are there. We cannot completely say that troubles don't come. So I'll say, like, stay safe, stay protected, and be in touch with people this fortnight. Do not like lose track. In case if you are feeling some say, like you do not feel very happy, communicate your feelings to somebody. Be in touch with some people. And in case you want to use some affirmations, I would say, I am free. I am free, and I am one. Like, I am free. That's one affirmation that you can say use for this for fortnight. And the second thing is like, I have the ability to grow. I have the ability to grow. So use these two affirmations this fortnight.